In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spacing between bullet point lines in MailChimp. Whether you're working on a newsletter, an email campaign, or any other type of communication in MailChimp, ensuring that your content is easy to read and visually appealing is key. Sometimes default formatting can make text look cramped, and this is especially true when it comes to bullet points. By adjusting the line spacing, you can make your message more inviting and professional. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to make this adjustment. It's simple, quick, and will make a big difference in how your content is presented. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to MailChimp's website. MailChimp works across all major browsers, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your MailChimp account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the correct account so that you can find the campaign you want to edit. If you're managing multiple accounts or projects, double-check that you're in the right place before moving forward. Once you're logged in, head over to the Campaigns section of MailChimp. This is where all your campaigns are stored, so you'll want to locate the specific campaign that contains the bullet points you want to adjust. Once you've found it, click on the campaign to open it. From here, you'll see an option to edit the campaign. Click the Edit button to open the editing interface. This will allow you to modify the content of your campaign. Now that you're in the editing interface, look for the text block that contains your bullet point list. MailChimp structures its campaigns with content blocks, and your bullet points will likely be in one of those text blocks. Click on the text block to open the text editor. This is where we'll make the changes to your line spacing. Once inside the text editor, highlight your entire bullet point list. You want to make sure every bullet point is selected so that the changes you make will apply evenly across the whole list. Now, take a look at the toolbar at the top of the text editor. This is where you'll find the line spacing option. The icon for line spacing usually looks like a small stack of lines with arrows pointing up and down, or something similar, so keep an eye out for that. Click on the line spacing option, and a small drop-down menu will appear with different line height settings. These settings might be labeled as numbers, such as 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and so on. Choose a new line height setting to adjust the spacing between your bullet points. For example, selecting 1.5 will add some space while keeping the list compact, while 2.0 will create even more breathing room between the lines. Don't worry if you're not sure which setting works best right away. You can test a few options to see what fits your design. After selecting a line height, take a moment to preview your campaign. MailChimp offers a preview feature where you can see how your email will look to recipients. This step is important because it allows you to confirm that the changes you made look the way you intended. If the spacing looks too tight or too wide, simply go back to the text editor and adjust the line height again until it feels just right. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully adjusted the line spacing for your bullet points in MailChimp. This small change can greatly improve the readability and overall design of your email campaigns, making your content more engaging and easier to digest. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.